Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am super excited to share that a very special plant delivery has just arrived, and I cannot wait to open it and share this with all of you. All right, the big reveal. What was in this giant box? Well, these are a brand new columnar apple series. There's 3 different varieties that I am trialing for performance here in Central North Carolina Zone 7. So we have a lot of disease pressure, especially things like rust that impacts apples. We also have a difficult climate for apple production because of our winter temperature fluctuations. A lot of times they flower and then we get cold and all the blossoms get burnt off and we get very, very few fruits to set. But I'm really excited to get to grow these. They were extremely generous and they gave me 5 of each variety. So I've got Tasty Red, Tangy Green, and Golden Treats. Now, you might be asking, where are we going to put these apples? And I'm actually wholly unprepared because they are bare root. You can see they're quite large. I mean, I can't believe the caliper on these trees. I was totally expecting like tiny little things, and these are bigger than anything I think I've ever really received in the mail. Aiden and I have been plotting this for a couple of weeks, and I think we've both decided that something that would benefit both the people who stay here in the Airbnb, but also our really awesome neighbors that live here, would be to basically site these kind of along this property border, so that if apples do get produced, both households can benefit from it. And then at the base of the apples, we want to do a huge native ornamental grass installation as inspiration from that incredible bank planting at Hoffman Nursery. So Aiden keeps talking about that planting as well. And so I thought, well, that would be a really cool way to totally create a foodscape using, of course, you know, non-native apples, but native herbaceous plants as the essentially the ground cover. So I'm really looking forward to getting that project started. We have to rent a sod cutter, and we have to get some soil cube on order. So we have a few things to do before we can just break ground and get these apples planted. In the meantime, I'm gonna make sure that I just fill the bags that they came in with some soil cube to make sure that their roots don't dry out, so that I can hold these apples for at least a week or 2 before we're ready to actually get them planted. So I do hope that you will stay tuned to watch our progress as we get this really cool columnar apple installation underway here at the Carolina Garden House. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for updates. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.